So if you see, like, if you search in a jobs in Indeed, or like jobs in Facebook Market, you can see lots of jobs available here. Mainly the fast food industries like McDonald's, Tim Hortons. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Awesome Vlogs. Today I'll be talking about the job opportunities that are available here in Thunder Bay for the international students mainly, because some of you guys were asking me like what are the opportunities do we have as a student here in Thunder Bay, and also like what is the minimum wage and how it is paid and stuff. So I decided to make a vlog about it so I could give more information about what are the job available here, and what is the minimum wage, and what things you need to keep in mind when you apply for a job and stuff. So to talk about like Thunder Bay, you can see, like, like I said, it's a smaller city. If you for an international student, I would say is like this is the best place for you to do your studies, because there's less expenses and less distractions. You can save a lot of money if you want to pay your fees or something like that. So it's a good place, to be honest, and summer is beautiful over here, and you have a lot of places for the vacations and stuff. So it's a good place, but the opportunities available here, like for main jobs, are comparatively less when you go for cities like Toronto or Vancouver or other places. So only difficulty with this place, what I felt was like in the winter. Other than that, like everything is nice, it's beautiful, everything is good. I would say that it's a good place for international students. If you have got a colleges here, you already got approved, and you're planning to come here. So it's a very good place where you can work, you can save some money, you can pay your fees. Everything is nice. So to talk up the jobs, like usually the payment is done bi-weekly. So every after 2 weeks, you get your paycheck, either by a direct deposit or a check. And the minimum wage, they have increased now to $15 per hour from this year onwards. When I started in the month of January, like it was just $14.25, then they increased to $14.35, and now directly to $15, which is a good raise. So the jobs that are available in Thunder Bay are like security jobs, delivery jobs, PSW jobs, retail jobs, or sales jobs. So I'll be talking about the security jobs. So to do a security job, you need to have a security license, which you need to apply at first. You need to apply for a security license, and you have to write an exam, clear the course and write the exam, and once you're cleared, you will get the license. So once you're done, you can apply in some of the companies that are available over here, like RLP Securities, Apex Securities, or Gada World. So the benefit about this job is that you get paid more than the basic pay, which is the minimum pay is $15 now, so you get at least $16 per hour. The job is like you just have to stand there, you have to guard the place, you have to make sure that it's a safe place for the customers coming in and out, and make sure that no person who is intoxicated comes in and troubles the environment. So second job I could say is retail opportunities. There are a lot of retail stores right here. So you can say Metro, Dollarama, Walmart. We have 3 Walmarts over here. Other than that, a Canadian Superstore. So these companies do hire for as a cashier, or a stalker, or produce stalker, or meat stalker, or so these companies do hire employees for stocking, or like as a cashier, and these companies do pay you better than the minimum wage, and they also give you benefit for the customers, maybe in-store purchase, discount on in-store purchase, or a discount on the phone bills, etc. So other than that, I could say is PSW jobs. So PSW jobs are like a support workers, like you take care of the old age people, or like the people who needs help. So they do pay you better than what the minimum wage is. And the fourth job I could say is delivery jobs. So delivery, like this, you can earn a lot of money if you have a G2 license, and if you want to do a delivery job, it's a one of the good opportunity that's available over here. If you're working in if you're doing a full-time job, I would definitely recommend you to do this as a second job once in a while, or on the weekends. You can earn a lot in this. So basically what you have to do is, like, they will be assigning you a delivery, and maybe I'm talking about the skip the dishes Uber Eats. So where you have to deliver the food, pick from the restaurant and deliver it to the customer. So they'll be paying you, like, for a delivery, like, depending on the kilometers, maybe $8, $10. It's a good amount of money you can make. And there's another one, it's called is Instacart, where you go to the stores, whichever they have told you, pick the products, shop for them, and then deliver it to their houses. So that is another good opportunity, I would say. So for these jobs you do need a G2 license. And there's another opportunity I would say is Uber, we had a Uber ride. We do have the similar like a U ride over here. So you do need a G license for that, but they do pay you better. And the next job I would say is, like, once you're done with your studies, if you're in a marketing field, there's opportunity for you for sales, maybe in the field of insurance, or lots of car dealers over here. So you can apply in those fields. So if you're an international student who's gonna come here in Thunder Bay, or who's planning to come, who's got approved from the college, so make sure that you print a resume, you search jobs in Kijiji, Indeed, and Facebook Marketplace. So accordingly you make your resume, and if the class timings, make sure you adjust and give a good availability for the employer, so that they can hire you, because they mainly look in your resume for the availability. So if you're more available to them for the work, they'll definitely give you a job. And prepare for the interview accordingly, and give your best. So thank you, and please do subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.